got back from the store. It is freezing outside, and this is going to be an easy DIY all supplies from the Dollar Tree. So I got some vanilla potpourri, guys. I actually got this mason jar from the dollar store, and I actually filled it up with the vanilla from the dollar store. I actually got some extra virgin olive oil from the Dollar Tree, and I got right here is some black cherry from the Dollar Tree as well. So I am going to put this in there. Put some of that in there. There we go. And it smells really good, guys. And then this is the extra virgin olive oil. We're going to put this in there, guys. Should have got 2 bottles. So, we're going to shake this up. Oh, it's not even on right. Hold on, guys. I'm about to make a mess. And we're going to leave this for about, well, I don't know if I got it on right. Okay, wait. It's a certain way to line up. Okay, is it on there? And we're going to leave this for about 7 days. And some people do, they'll boil theirs. They'll put this together and boil it. So we're going to turn this into fragrance oil, guys. All supplies from the dollar store. So I will come back to you guys in 7 days when it's ready for me to take out of this jar and put it into another jar. Thank you guys so much. Bye-bye. It's that easy, guys. A jar, potpourri, extra virgin olive oil, and that little bit of fragrance oil, guys. And this I'm going to turn into my fragrance oil, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Bye-bye.